Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create a custom event flyer using Kittl templates. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to go to the Kittl and click a new project. Then here in the left-hand menu, go to templates section and here, search for flyer or type the kind of event that you like to design, like if it's for party, concert, wedding, or business. Then pick a flyer template that fits your event's theme. After done choosing your template, customize your flyer. You can replace the sample text with your event name, date, and location. You can also adjust the colors and fonts to match your brand or theme. You can also add icons, illustrations, or photos from Kittl Design Library and resize your flyer for the right format, whether you need it for your printing or social media sharing. And once you're satisfied with your edit, you can click download to save your design as a PNG, JPEG, or PDF. And that's it. You've just created a custom event flyer using Kittl templates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.